Hey, what's up everyone? C&EMEDIA here. We're gonna go ahead and show you how to use the Adirchef. It's 14 ounces.
Two per cup.
Yeah.
Roughly.
How long does it usually take for it to make a cup that size?
What, like 3 minutes maybe?
3 minutes? Oh, that's not bad when you're on the go.
I haven't actually timed it. It's actually really fast.
You've had it for how long? 3-4 months?
Yeah, we've had it for like 4 months now.
You just press that button over here, right?
And it turns on.
Turns on, and once it's blue, it's heating up.
Yeah.
Own cup, right?
Yeah, it brings its own cup. It's also, I think, 14 ounces.
Does it feel sturdy to you?
Yeah, it's on the go.
Wonderful. What is this, Italian?
Yeah, well, that's it.
It's intense and chocolatey. Dark roast. Intense and chocolatey.
Right here, roasty, it's dark, the intensity.
Oh, wow.
It's already done.
I know. Okay. How many ices do you like to put in your iced coffee usually?
Honestly, like
As cold as possible.
6.
Can you put the milk first when you make your iced coffee?
Yeah, I put the milk just to measure it, make sure I have enough milk. And then I add the necessary coffee. And this whole thing is 16 ounces, so it like helps me measure, you know, the dairy intake for the day.
Gotcha. How much sugar do you usually put?
Usually eyeball it. It's like 2.
You get the taste almost 2, right?
Yeah, about a spoonful.
That's really good. Well, there you have it. Adirchef. Great product so far. And please, if you enjoy the review, like, comment, and subscribe.